Welcome everyone. This is Team Ninja Tech here to showcase our prototype of the solution for the problem statement 1674. The problem statement is from Narcotics Control Bureau. The problem statement revolves around the increasing drug trafficking on social media platforms. It expects for a software solution which can track down and monitor such drug selling channels and get necessary details such as phone numbers, IP address, etc. These channels don't sell drugs directly on public channels. Instead, they require you to request to join a private channel where actual drug selling is done. This makes it difficult for us to monitor these channels. Our solution, Trace, tracing and real-time analysis for cyber security enforcement, tracks down these channels using bots and crawlers. The process starts from user giving a keyword, which then is used for finding channels and users related to it. After then, bot goes through each channel to look for drug trafficking activities. To achieve that, it first checks for messages for drug related sentiments. If nothing is found, it collects images such as group profile picture, pictures, videos, etc. for drug related content. An image recognition model is used to detect and classify drugs from these images. If drug activity is found, the necessary details are scraped and sent to the user. For a recursive search, details such as following of suspects, their contacts, etc. are collected and pushed to the search queue to find supplier networks. These messages don't mention the drug names directly. Instead, they obfuscate or use as drug nicknames for the specific drugs. Here are some street or slang names for drugs. These channels often uses emojis or these nicknames of the drugs to
Now I will show the image recognition model to detect and classify drugs from the images. The model we have used for this prototype is Gemini Vision. The model gives description of the image, whether or not there is drugs in it, if yes, what kind, and the confidence level. What I have here is a set of pictures consisting of mix of drugs, medicines, and normal fixes. The model is expected to classify each of them correctly. The first picture contains harmful drug, and the model does classify it correctly. The next picture is taken from the logo of a drug trafficking channel. The next pictures are sourced from different illicit channels found, and as you can see, the model classifies that as drugs with high confidence. Then the next picture is of spice, which does not contain any drug, which the model successfully classifies as true negative. Then these pictures of medicines may look like drugs, but don't actually assure harmful drug contents. Then, then this picture may look like marijuana, but it is just pesto, and the model does not get confused and accurately classifies that as true negative. Then the next picture is of chat from a drug sales source from Google. The model is able to mention the sentiments and also extracts the drugs found. Then the next two pictures are totally normal and are accurately classified.
Now I will show the prototype of the solution. As I have told earlier, these channels don't directly show the names of their drugs they are selling. Instead, they use nicknames or slang, or sometimes emojis. I will use these keywords to find the drug related channels. The system first asks you for a keyword. From previous finding, I have found the keyword robot, which is usually name of the drug selling channels. Now the crawler is looking for channels. Using this keyword, it has found a channel and saved the logo of it. Now the messages from this channel are being checked to look for drug related messages. Even the logo of the channel is looked for drug related content. This is a normal channel and has nothing to do with drugs and hence nothing is found. The drug identified is false. Next is next is this channel with this logo, which is definitely a weed, and the image recognition model recognized it as marijuana, and also from the messages it found weed, hash, shroom, and pills. Next one is this is another bot it found. It didn't find any drug related content, neither any messages. That's six. Okay. This one, the image recognition model recognized marijuana in the picture, and also the messages has weed and peels in the bot. Next is channel 7. The logo of this channel doesn't have anything related to drugs, neither do messages. So it's done with scrolling through all the bots it found, and all the usernames where it found drug related information is being written in the username text and contacts.txt. For safety reasons, I cannot show these usernames and contacts on YouTube. Let's go through another one. This time we'll put emojis as keyword because these are often used to hide drug related words. Okay, it found this channel. The logo of the channel has nothing to do with drugs, no drug detected. So it's going through the media of this channel. This one. Yes. It found marijuana. It found cannabis in the media of this channel. They are trafficking drugs. It started with next entity, channel logo 12. This is the logo of next channel it found. Even this has nothing to do with drugs, but the messages from this channel has ketamine, cannabis, all such drugs. So now the usernames from this channel and contacts are being extracted and returned to the username.txt. Next is channel logo 13. Even this has nothing to do with drugs, but the messages from this channel contains keywords like weed, hash, room, etc. So even this is a drug selling channel. Another way these people hide the keyword or the drug name is by putting OG before it. So we'll try that as well. OG Kush. Kush is a drug. I found this keyword from this PDF. There, let's see. There's a weed picture in the logo of this bot it found. It is detected as marijuana. Next is channel 17. There's a weed picture on the jacket of some guy. Hmm. The channel logo doesn't have anything to do with drugs, though it detected something. Now it's going through the media of the channel. It found crystal meth in the media of this channel. This is a normal channel with no drugs related information found. Next is channel 21. There's a woman smoking a cigarette in this logo, which doesn't necessarily means a drug selling channel. So it gave you that drug identified false. It's now going through the channel's media, which is this one. It's totally normal channel. Next is this channel. It didn't find anything in the logo of the channel. So now it's going through the media of the channel and messages as well. Let's see. This one. I mean, there's nothing related to drugs. Media channel 5 and 6. So this image has keywords such as weed in some other language, which the image recognizing model detected as weed, marijuana, cannabis. So it has went to the next channel. This seems to be a normal channel. So if we see the media from this channel, specific one, it doesn't seem to have anything related to drugs. So now if we see usernames.txt, but I cannot show these usernames on, yeah, YouTube. So it found around 46 users which sells drugs on Telegram channels. If we go through these usernames on Telegram, we can find details such as IP address, phone numbers, etc. By using the usernames and links found by the crawler, I can verify that these channels in fact do sell drugs on their channel. Our solution provides an effective and comprehensive approach to identify and track drug-related activities on platforms like Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Twitter. By leveraging advanced algorithms, keyword normalization, image recognition, and recursive searches, our system can detect concealed drug related information, identifying potential traffickers, and extract critical data such as phone numbers, usernames, and links. This approach not only aids in detecting illicit activities but also offers valuable insight for law enforcement to take appropriate action. Thank you and have a nice day.